Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to find the derivative of the function with respect to the other variable than the independent variable. Okay? So what we're supposed to write? Simply realize that we have the derivative of the difference. Okay? So we simply write that this is derivative of w to the third power over dx minus derivative of 5w over dx minus derivative of 2 over dx. Okay, so next, again, don't forget that we are dealing with the derivatives with respect to other variables. Okay, we have to find a derivative of w cubed even if w is different than x. So what we're supposed to do is simply keep in mind that anytime there is no any coefficient over here, so there is always invisible one. So if you want to find the derivative, you're supposed to simply use this formula. So we have to write the constant first, but because constant is 1, I'm not going to write it. Next thing which I'm supposed to write is the exponent. So I have exponent is 3 w, and I have exponent minus 1, and minus 1, I have 3 minus 1 is equal 2, and I'm supposed to find the derivative of w in this case. Okay, so I have dw over dx minus, again, the formula, constant goes first. Remember, anytime there is no exponent, there is always invisible one. So I have 5 times 1, and I have w, but let me write this step by step. So I have w, and I have exponent 1, I'm supposed to subtract 1, times the derivative of w with respect to x. Okay, because I'm taking the derivative of w with respect to x. Minus derivative of constant is equal 0. So I have 3w squared dw over dx minus 5 times 1 is 5. So I have 5 w to 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0, and I have dw over dx. Okay, so everything is equal 3w squared dw over dx minus 5 w raised to power 0 is equal 1 if w is not equal 0, and I have dw over dx. And this is the solution to my problem.